In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add live chat in your WordPress websites. Live chats connect you with your customers and leads, and you can easily communicate with them. You'll be able to solve their issues on an immediate basis. To add live chat, all you need to do is follow a few steps. The first step is to create an account on a website called Crisp. This is the website, and I'm adding its link to the description. Crisp is basically a live chat tool that we'll be using for our WordPress website. To create an account, just go to the link that I've shared in the description, and it'll take you to this website. Simply click on the Get Started button over here, and you'll need to enter your details and a name here. Enter your email address. And once done, you can enter your password over here. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Continue. Now here you need to enter the name of your company. Here you need to enter your website's URL. So simply copy the website URL and paste it here. Now click Continue. Here you can select the color of your chat box or set an avatar. After that, again click on Continue. Here select WordPress and click on Discover My Dashboard. Now a Crisp account has been successfully created. You need to connect this account to your website. To do so, move to your WordPress dashboard, and you'll need to install a plugin named Crisp. Now, I've already installed this plugin, but if you need any help installing a plugin in WordPress, we have a video explaining how you can install and activate a plugin. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. So, let's activate the plugin. Here, click on Install Crisp on My WordPress, and here by clicking on Continue, you'll link the accounts. You'll see that Crisp will be added to your website. You can simply now click on the Open Crisp inbox and you'll be redirected to the same. You can simply hide instructions like this. This is the inbox where you can chat with your visitors. So let's test the plugin. Let's go to our site. Here you can see the live chat box here. Visitors can simply send messages and chat to resolve their issues. Let's see how it works. Simply drop a test message here. And moving back to the Crisp inbox, you can see the message here. You can reply to this message like this. Moving back to live chat, here you can see the revert. Visitors can fill up the email addresses here like this. Once the issue is resolved, you can mark it as resolved like this. So, that's how it works. You can even invite an operator by selecting the option here. Select the operator role from here and enter the respective person's email address. In this way, you can add various operators. Now, under the settings, you can set your availability. You can keep this option active as per your need. You can also enable the availability schedule and make changes accordingly. You can even add a time interval like this. So, this is how easy it is to add live chat to your WordPress website. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.